Hi everyone, welcome to The Learning Ladders. Today I'm doing a collab with the Mama Librarian and Natasha, I think, as well as joining in from Educational Roots. I'll leave their link below. We're showing our homeschool room tours. I have actually done this school room tour several times before, so I'm not going to go super in depth. I'll just give you a quick brief overlook of everything that we have in our schoolroom. Not much has changed apart from the workboxes since I think the last video that I did, but it's fun anyway, and I enjoy collabing with my friends and everyone else. So let's get started. Schoolroom door at the top, I just have these little shower curtain hooks on regular hooks to hang word wall things. Velcro is on here for different things that I stick up periodically throughout the year, and then we've got our affirmations, and we need to do a new one for this week, and then our little sign. On the back, I still keep our counting to 100 chart on here, and then we've got our word wall at the bottom. So at the top is the mammals vocabulary units that we've been doing, and at the bottom are some just autumn fun seasonal words. And we mainly use those for storytelling and story prompts, and they're obviously to do with the science curriculum that we're using. Okay, at the bottom we just have a little seating area, and then we have our library, our main library. We do have bookshelves in all of our rooms of our house, multiple ones, but this is the main, I guess, homeschool bookshelf. At the bottom is tech, and then everything else is just, so she has her laptop, her tablet down there, and then everything else is subject orientated, as you can see, it's all listed. Okay, up here we've got our clock, our calendar, and then over here I've got a little poster for decoration, and then some little cards on rings for different skills. So we've got some fraction ones, some math ones, some language arts ones. Okay, down here we have some supplies. We've got a thermometer, calendar cards, and then some weather, and then our homeschool reward charts, little stick-ons, which I'll show you in a second, a little teaching clock, and then this is where she keeps her reward coupons. We do have a homeschool store where she can redeem coupons for exceptional work and everything else. So we have our little reward coupons over here. So we've got an ice cream one and a cupcake one at the moment. One of them, when she's filled up, she'll get to choose a special treat. So whether it's a little toy from the pound store, or she wants to have a happy meal at McDonald's, you know, something fun like that we don't do all the time. And then the bottom one, she'll fill out completely, and then she'll get an extra coupon, because we tend to price our items in our homeschool room high, well, not necessarily quite high, but higher, so therefore she it's like a boost to get an extra coupon to collect. And the reason I do that is because I like to instill in her the benefit and reward of working hard and saving, mainly for saving things that, you know, she can see these things in the store, but she has to save for them to get them. I think that's a great skill to have for future life, you know, to help with that and everything else, that she learns to wait and save and work hard for the things that she wants. We've got a Halloween decoration because it's Halloween coming up soon, and my daughter's so excited to decorate. We have our handwriting without tears chart. We've had that for years. I still keep that. And then we have our whiteboard, which is one of my favourite things. We use it all the time for different activities. She has a desk area. Back here is a folder where she keeps... Sorry, that was Quinn. Are you okay, Quinn? Back here is a folder for work in progress things. So she's got her supplies, a Lazy Susan, which is one of our favourite things, as well as her favourite things. We've got a Halloween candle just for fun. We've got some pots of speech cards on the other side. I keep my expo markers on there. My dog is just choking. Are you okay? Goodness me. We have a dog and a kitty. Where there's the other dogs downstairs. In here she has a clipboard and just some various supplies, whiteboard and bits and pieces. We've got a multiplication poster over here. This is our main supply wardrobe from IKEA. I've shown it in tons of videos before, so I'm not going to go in depth. Basically, it was a wardrobe that I had shelves custom made, or not custom made, but cut to size to change it into a shelving unit rather than it being a wardrobe, because we'd outgrew it. And I just have him organised in different subjects. We've got maths in there, science, language arts, geography, activities and games and things. On this side of the wardrobe we have our little teaching clock with the magnets on that I keep on the shelf because they always tend to fall off for some time activities. We also have our mystery and time poster, so every time we open a box we pop it on here, our timeline sticker. On this side we have our work boxes, so my daughter's, so this one's mine and daughter's is on this side, and we have a workbox system with the days of the week, so I put everything in for that day that she needs to do or need to get done. On the top of them I just house our globe and various folders. We have our math and language arts little manipulative centre over here. We have our little display books here. We have another bookshelf in here, so my writing and strategies book and things like that. So educational guides are at the top, some of her books, and then books that we used in previous years. So for example, here's our Story of the World and the Ancient History books that went along with it, just some supplies and more books down there. I keep all our subscription boxes up on the top that we're ready to use. Fun wall decor over there. Here we have our STEM and writing zone. I have our STEM bins down here and our writing centre bins. I've done a look inside of those before, which I'll just link below. Bins, we've got things like magnetic Velcro, sticks and some toilet paper rolls and things for building. I've got some wooden blocks and little festive activities. More building things. So we've got the stars in there and snowflakes. There they are. Hiding, there's one. I've got pattern blocks and linking cubes. Plus blocks and dominoes are in there. This is tape, scissors and index cards, which is one of my daughter's favourites. She loves making things with those. And at the bottom we've got some more Legos and some more toilet paper, toilet roll. Little storage shelf in the hall as well with all our games on and activities. Supplies in this little tote down here. So paper and tissue paper and things like that. And additional paint supplies over here. So room as well, I have our little fruit and veg stall. We've had this for several years, and originally it was for you know, dramatic play and everything else, but now it's really useful for maths, for when we're playing math games and things. So I do keep it in here, and it's a fun addition to have. Extra fun supplies over here. These are from IKEA. World map over here, and she has a little keyboard over here. Case with our readers that she's going to be doing this year, and some Read Aloud and additional books. And then I keep my folder at the top, some folders at the top with curriculum and things. Hanging rail that goes across, so we hang pictures and things. That's the artwork that she's done and made. That's everything really for today. If you've got any more questions about anything, or you want to see anything more in detail, let me know. I just wanted to do a quick overview. As I said, I've done this video before, and a whole lot has changed. If you like any information about any products or anything, definitely let me know. Otherwise, I'll see you in the next video. Thanks for watching. Take care. Bye now.